In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an org chart in ClickUp. We'll walk through building a clean, easy to read organizational chart using ClickUp's whiteboard view. An org chart maps who reports to whom and clarifies roles, so by the end you'll have a visual that helps your team understand structure at a glance. First, open your ClickUp account and sign in so you're on your workspace home. From there, head into the specific space where you want this chart to live. Spaces are great because they group related work, and keeping your org chart in the right space makes it easy for your team to find it later. Inside that space, look toward the top where you manage views. Click Add View. A menu will open with different view types. Select Whiteboard. This gives you a flexible blank canvas that's perfect for freeform diagrams, like org charts, without affecting your tasks or lists. You'll land on an empty board with tools along the side. This is where you can freely explore and build your chart. Start by selecting the rectangle shape from the Shapes panel. Rectangles make clear, uniform boxes for each role. Click anywhere on the canvas to place the first rectangle. Then type the position title inside, like Executive, Team Lead, or any role you need. Keep titles short and consistent so the chart stays readable. To expand your chart, add more rectangles for each role you need to represent. Arrange them on the canvas to reflect your hierarchy. A simple approach is top to bottom, with leadership near the top and teams flowing downward. You can drag shapes to reposition them and use the zoom controls to fine-tune spacing. Now connect each shape to show reporting lines. Select the connector or line tool, then click a shape and drag to the next shape. Aim for straight, clean connections. If your line bends awkwardly, reposition the boxes slightly until the path is clear. Keep consistent spacing between levels to avoid visual clutter. As you go, you can adjust rectangle sizes to fit longer titles and use subtle color accents to group departments or functions. Keep colors minimal to maintain clarity. If you need multiple roles that are similar, duplicate a rectangle and just update the title to save time. Periodically zoom out to review the overall flow. Make sure every role connects to a parent role where appropriate, that no lines cross unnecessarily, and that the layout reads logically from top to bottom or left to right. When it looks right, you're done. Your org chart now lives in the Spaces whiteboard view, ready for your team to reference and keep aligned with your structure.